We're going to cover how to use range vectors in Prometheus. We have the same setup as before. We have Docker Compose with 3 web servers running, and all these 3 web servers are sending data to Prometheus through push gateway. One of those metrics is app request total, and when I query it, you will see that we have this set as counter. And let's also look at the graph. So this is continuously incrementing graph. We have close to 20 minutes of data. Now let's filter it further. Let's look into only a single instance, app1, and we have a single entry 2364. Note that I have actually logged it at a certain timestamp, and the reason behind that is I want repeatability. I want to query it and get the same data again and again so that it's easier to demonstrate what I want to demonstrate here. So this is an instant vector. So at this given moment in time, this is the value that we have. Now let's pass a time range. I'm gonna pass 1 minute, and you will notice that we have 6 entries, and basically 2364 from the previous results. Previous result is this one, 2364 is the last entry here, and it went back by a minute and got us all the entries in this particular time window. So from here, so it's basically 1605 to 1606. We have these many entries, and it's not very surprising. We have 6 entries and our scrape interval is 10 seconds. So we have 6 entries here. And what can we do with a range vector? So it's very powerful. If we have range vectors, we can do certain math on top of it. So one of those things is a rate function. Let's call a rate function on this range vector, and we know that we have these entries. So let's take these entries, right? We are going to take 2253, that's a smaller number, and then we have 2364. So the difference is 111. And then let's also take the time difference. So this is the larger number, and this is the smaller number. These are Unix epoch time, so it's in decimals 49 seconds, 995 milliseconds. So let's store it in a variable time diff, and then let's take this and store it in a variable value diff. Okay, now let's say we call the rate function. Let's execute this. I haven't executed it yet, so that's why we are seeing a range vector. So let's execute it. We're getting 2.22. Now if I do value diff by time diff, we'll get 2.22. What that means is basically the difference is 2.22 per second. That's what rate gives us. What if we do increase? Let's do increase. Increase is another function. Basically, since the range is 1 minute, it's going to linearly interpolate this difference over 1 minute period of time. So even though 1 minute range gives us 111, the linear interpolation turns it into 133. And let's see how that looks like. So we do this. So this is per second rate. We'll multiply it by 60 because there are 60 seconds in a minute, and we are getting 133,213, which is exactly this number, 133,213. So this is how range vectors work. They're super powerful because you can use range vectors as input for other functions that PromQL provides us. So that's range vectors.